So you might be spring cleaning your home, but don't forget to clean out those cosmetics as well. So this morning we're going to cover...
We're talking to you.
We are. This morning we are covering how and when you should swap out your beauty items. And here to walk us through and share some great replacement items with some exclusive discounts as well, board-certified dermatologist, founder of Align Skincare, Dr. Marnie Nussbaum. Marnie Nussbaum, Align, you can shop along as well. QR code's right there at the bottom of your screen. Welcome back, Dr. Marnie.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
I mean, first of all, how do you know when to replace your products?
It's an excellent question. So even the best quality skincare products break down over time, and it could be before the expiration date. So if anything looks different, feels different, or smells different, you want to get rid of it.
Okay. What if it's still like makeup-wise, still works?
Doesn't matter. Even if it still works, there can be microscopic germs.
Expensive.
I know.
Okay.
And we look at, we find products all over the place, but throw it out.
Okay. All right, fine. So we're starting off with this eyeshadow stick.
Yes. So this is a great product. Laura Geller collabed with Julep to make this eyeshadow stick.
Ooh.
And it's waterproof, crease-proof. It has vitamin E, C, Candelia wax to protect that skin.
Okay.
And it retails for $16. It's a fantastic thing. You should be swapping out your eye products every 6 months. So don't forget that. Eyeshadows, lip eyeliners.
Then why do they make the product so big if they're not going to last?
Well, you know what? We're either not using them enough or we're getting too many colors. But there's so many good spring colors for this that we actually really
I love that you turned this segment into your own personal skincare beauty.
I don't use I barely use makeup when I'm at home.
Yeah. Before we move to this next, what about brushes and things like that?
Excellent question. So brushes must be cleansed, and nobody cleanses their brushes.
Yeah.
So, how many times have you done it? So you can use a little bit of baby shampoo and rinse it and let it dry. And you should be doing that at least once a week, once a month.
Should you be changing from year to year whether you've used it or not, sunscreen?
Okay, if you reach your expiration date of sunscreen, you've not been using it enough.
Okay.
So 1 tablespoon every morning for the face, a shot glass for the body, and every 2 hours in the sun.
All year?
All year. And this particular product, Elta MD UV Clear, I love. It retails for $44. It's fabulous because it has hyaluronic acid for moisturizing, your SPF broad spectrum, 5% niacinamide to decrease redness, and it's hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic.
Does this go under makeup?
Yes. And the most amazing thing about this is you can get an exclusive 20% off using the code TODAY.
Okay.
How often should we be swapping out our lip products?
Lip
SPF
products.
46.
Yes, lip products should be swapped out once a year, but really sooner. And this product is amazing by Supergoop because it blends skincare and beauty.
Okay.
It protects the lips, and lips don't have sebaceous glands to moisturize themselves, and they don't have melanocytes to actually protect themselves. So it moisturizes, it protects. People use it also as a cheek stain.
I can see
Fun
that.
stuff.
Yes.
And this retails for $24.
Okay, great.
What's this?
Okay, love this. So, beauty blenders have become quite the trend. However, these are prime for germs, bacteria, and
like any sponge.
Exactly.
Right.
So, the reason I love this beauty blender starter pack is because, first of all, it retails for $26, and you can get 30% off today with the code TODAY.
Okay.
Big deal. But it has a great material that doesn't soak up the product. Instead, it leaves it on your face. It has this great case that allows protection and ventilation. And then it comes with a vegan beauty blender cleanser that you should be using every time after you. Exactly.
Okay.
So again, 30% off with the code TODAY.
Dr. Marnie, you were just talking about the importance of...
Oh my God. These are my favorite things in the world. So I keep these in my bag as a mom.
Just alcohol?
Yep. You know when you use your cell phone all day long, touch your computer, touch your this, every night, wipe your cell phone. I do it twice a day with this alcohol pre-saturated wipe from Henry Schein, a little around $5. And it can really decrease the acne, rosacea, inflammation on your skin. Use it on everyday essentials
I never thought
sunglasses.
about that, but you're right.
Yeah.
I break out here.
Exactly.
It's right where my phone is.
Your cell phone. And lastly, this baby muslin cloth. They're not just for babies, they're for us. So how many times do we wash our face? And we take the damp towel that our entire family uses to wash our hands and then just scrub it. Gross. Mold, bacteria. So use these baby muslin cloths. Keep once per, I want you to pat your skin dry. Plop it in the dryer, washer dryer, and then use it again.
So don't use it for a week.
6-pack for $15.99.
Doing a lot of things wrong.
Dr. Marnie, thank you.
Great.
Thank you so much. Remember, you can scan that QR code to buy any of these items, or you can also go to today.com/shop.